Guys, let's have a quick unboxing of Xiaomi Mi4i. Here's the phone. It's really slim and its dazzle black screen even gives a soothing effect. Volume rockers and on-off button. USB charging port, speaker grills and Mi branding. It has got a 13 megapixel camera with dual LED flash and 5 megapixel front camera. Let's keep it aside and see what we got. I have already unboxed it, so it doesn't have that much packaging type, and it's the SIM ejector pin and some quick start guides and warranty cards. We also get a charger which I had already taken out and a USB cable. I also ordered a black case with it, which gives it a very great look and it really feels slim. Let's have a camera check. It has a great camera with autofocus and optical image stabilization. Dual LED flash gives it more smoothing, as you see.